Are you feeling overwhelmed and cluttered with the chaos of daily life? In this video, we will provide you with 54 practical minimalist tips to simplify your life. With these minimalist tips, you can make your life easier and save money at the same time. Number 1. Clear out your entryway. Your entryway is the first thing you and your guests see when entering your home. Make it welcoming by clearing out any clutter, such as shoes, coats, and bags. Consider adding a shoe rack or a coat hook to keep things organized. Number 2. Find your own organizational style. Everyone has their own unique way of staying organized. Experiment with different methods, such as using a planner, color-coding your files, or creating a to-do list. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Number 3. Clear out any expired foods, medications, and makeup. Go through your pantry, medicine cabinet, and makeup bag, and get rid of anything that has expired. Expired items can be harmful to your health and clutter up your space. Number 4. Teach your kids the habit of cleanliness. Encourage your children to be tidy by making cleanliness a habit. Make sure they understand the importance of keeping their living space clean and provide them with the tools they need to do so, such as a toy box or storage bins. Number 5. Make your bed. Making your bed is a simple task that can have a big impact on the overall appearance of your bedroom. It takes only a few minutes and can instantly make your room look more organized and put together. Plus, it's a great way to start your day with a sense of accomplishment. Number 6. Get rid of duplicates. Having duplicates of items can lead to clutter and take up unnecessary space. When organizing, go through your belongings and get rid of any duplicates. This could include duplicate kitchen utensils, clothes, or even electronics. Number 7. Learn to love empty space. Empty space is not a bad thing. In fact, it can be helpful in creating a calm and organized environment. Instead of filling every inch of a room, embrace the concept of minimalism and leave some open space. This can help make the room feel larger and less cluttered. Number 8. Follow the one-touch rule. The one-touch rule is a way to avoid procrastination and ensure that everything has a proper place. The idea is that once you touch an item, you should put it in its designated spot or get rid of it. Avoid placing items on surfaces to deal with later, as this can lead to clutter buildup. Number 9. Tidy as you go. Tidying as you go can help prevent clutter buildup in the first place. Whenever you finish using an item, put it away in its designated spot. This can include cleaning dishes immediately after eating, folding clothes after laundry, and wiping down counters after cooking. Number 10. Get rid of books you don't need. Books can take up a lot of space and become overwhelming if you have too many. To help declutter your space, go through your book collection and get rid of any books you don't need or haven't read in a while. Consider donating them to a library or charity to give them a new life. Number 11. Spend time in nature. Spending time in nature has many benefits, including reducing stress, improving mood, and increasing creativity. Make an effort to spend time outside, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting in your backyard. Number 12. Simplify your meals. Mealtime can be stressful and time-consuming, but simplifying your meals can help. Focus on simple, nutritious meals that can be made quickly and easily, like grilled chicken and vegetables, or a stir-fry with rice. Number 13. Meal prep for the week. Spend some time on the weekends prepping meals for the week ahead. This can include chopping vegetables, cooking rice, or prepping a large batch of chicken or beef. Having pre-prepared ingredients makes it easier to throw together a quick and healthy meal during the week. Number 14. Use a grocery list. Create a grocery list before heading to the store to avoid impulse purchases and ensure that you have all the ingredients you need for your meals. This also helps save time and money. Number 15. Simplify your cleaning routine. Cleaning can be a time-consuming task, but simplifying your routine can make it easier. Focus on one task at a time, such as cleaning the kitchen or bathroom, and break it down into smaller tasks. Use multi-purpose cleaning products to reduce clutter and save time. Consider hiring a cleaning service to help with more extensive cleaning tasks. Number 16. Take breaks throughout the day. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to recharge your mind and body. You can take short breaks to stretch, go for a walk, or simply rest your eyes. Taking breaks can help you stay productive and focused throughout the day. Number 17. Limit your commitments. It's easy to get overwhelmed with too many commitments. It's important to prioritize your time and focus on the things that are most important to you. Saying no to unnecessary commitments can help you free up time for the things that truly matter. Number 18. Say no more often. Learning to say no can be difficult. but it's important to set boundaries and protect your time and energy. Saying no to things that don't align with your goals or values can help you stay focused on what's most important to you. Number 19. Learn to delegate tasks. You don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks to others can help you free up time and energy to focus on the things that only you can do. It's important to trust others and give them the opportunity to grow and develop their skills. Number 20. Make time for self-care. Self-care is essential for your physical and mental well-being. It's important to make time for things like exercise, meditation, or simply relaxing and doing something you enjoy. Taking care of yourself can help you be more productive and focused in the long run. Number 21. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you're grateful for can help shift your mindset and improve your overall happiness. You can practice gratitude by writing down things you're grateful for each day, expressing gratitude to others, or simply taking time to appreciate the good things in your life. Number 22. Meditate or practice mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. You can start by taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath or simply be present in the moment. There are many apps and resources available to help you get started with meditation or mindfulness. Number 23. Stick to your best colors. Everyone has colors that look good on them and others that don't. Figure out which colors look best on you and stick to them when building your wardrobe. This will make it easier to mix and match your clothing items. Number 24. Quality is key. Invest in high-quality clothing items that will last longer and look better. Cheap clothes might be tempting, but they will wear out quickly and need to be replaced more often, costing you more money in the long run. Number 25. Turn your hangers backward. When you hang your clothes back up after wearing them, turn the hanger backward. At the end of the season, you'll be able to see which clothes you haven't worn because the hangers will still be backward. This will help you identify clothes that you don't need and can donate or sell. Number 26. Minimize accessories. Accessories are fun, but they can clutter up your closet and make it harder to find what you're looking for. Keep your accessories to a minimum and stick to a few key pieces that you really love. Number 27. Reduce the amount you wash your clothes. Overwashing your clothes can cause them to wear out faster. Unless your clothes are visibly dirty or smelly, consider wearing them more than once before washing them. Number 28. Care for your clothes the right way. Follow the care instructions on your clothing labels to keep your clothes looking their best. This might mean washing them on a gentle cycle, hanging them to dry, or avoiding certain cleaning products. Number 29. Put away laundry when it's done. When you finish washing and folding your clothes, put them away in your closet or drawers right away. This will help you avoid clutter and make it easier to find what you're looking for when you're getting dressed. Number 30. Be aware of your need for more. One of the biggest challenges in simplifying your wardrobe is acknowledging that you don't need more clothes. It's important to recognize when you're feeling the urge to shop and try to redirect that energy towards other pursuits. Number 31. Avoid buying trends. Trends come and go quickly, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new fashion fad. However, it's important to be mindful of your purchases and avoid buying something just because it's trendy. Number 32. Choose versatile clothing. When building your wardrobe, focus on versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched in a variety of ways. This will make it easier to create outfits and ensure that you get the most use out of each item. Number 33. Focus on fewer goals. Simplifying your wardrobe is easier when you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire wardrobe at once, focus on a few key goals that you want to achieve. Number 34. Saving is a priority. Simplifying your wardrobe can also help you save money in the long run. By buying fewer clothes and focusing on quality over quantity, you can reduce your spending and put more money towards your other financial goals. Number 35. Unsubscribe from brandsism. It's easy to get caught up in the constant barrage of marketing messages from clothing brands. To simplify your wardrobe, consider unsubscribing from email lists and social media accounts that tempt you to buy more clothes. Number 36. Automate payments. Another way to simplify your finances is to automate your clothing-related payments. This can include setting up automatic payments for your credit card or creating a budget specifically for your clothing purchases. Number 37. Declutter your wardrobe. Finally, one of the most effective ways to simplify your wardrobe is to declutter regularly. This can involve getting rid of items that no longer fit or are no longer in style, as well as donating or selling items that you no longer wear. Number 38. Limit your closet space. The first step in decluttering your closet is to limit the amount of space you allocate for your clothes. This will help you be more mindful of the items you keep and encourage you to only keep what you truly need. Number 39. Consider a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. By having a capsule wardrobe, you can simplify your clothing choices and reduce clutter in your closet. Number 40. Donate or sell items you no longer use. As you go through your closet, separate the items you no longer wear or need. Consider donating them to a local charity or selling them online to make some extra cash. Number 41. Declutter your workspace. Clearing your workspace of unnecessary items can help you feel more focused and productive. Keep only the essentials on your desk and find a designated space for everything else. Number 42. Keep your desktop clean. In addition to decluttering your physical workspace, it's important to keep your digital space organized as well. Keep your computer desktop clean by only storing necessary files and folders. Number 43. Digitize your documents. Consider digitizing your important documents to reduce the amount of paper clutter in your home or office. Store them in a secure digital storage platform or on an external hard drive. Number 44. Organize your email inbox. Set up folders and filters to keep your email inbox organized and clutter-free. This will help you easily find important emails and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed by a crowded inbox. Number 45. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists. Take control of your email by unsubscribing from unnecessary email lists. This will help reduce the amount of clutter in your inbox and help you stay focused on important emails. Number 46. Consolidate your online accounts. Having multiple online accounts can lead to a lot of clutter and confusion. Consolidate your accounts by using a single email address for all your accounts or by using a service like LastPass to manage your passwords. Number 47. Use a password manager. Keep your online accounts secure and organized by using a password manager. This will help you keep track of all your passwords in one place and reduce the clutter of multiple login credentials. Number 48. Reduce your social media usage. Social media can be a major source of distraction and can easily eat up hours of your day. To reduce your usage, consider setting specific times of day to check your social media accounts and avoid logging on during work or study hours. You can also consider deleting apps that you find particularly addictive or using tools that track your usage and set limits. Number 49. Limit your notifications. Notifications can be a major source of distraction and can disrupt your focus throughout the day. To limit them, consider turning off non-essential notifications, such as those from social media apps or news alerts. You can also schedule specific times to check your email or messages, rather than constantly monitoring them throughout the day. Number 50. Have a designated space for everything. One key to staying organized is to have a specific place for everything in your home or workspace. This can help you quickly find what you need and avoid clutter. Make sure to label your storage containers and keep similar items together. Number 51. Create a morning routine. Having a consistent morning routine can set the tone for the rest of your day. This can include activities like exercise, meditation, journaling, or having a healthy breakfast. Try to establish a routine that helps you feel energized and focused for the day ahead. Number 52. Set a schedule for the day. Having a clear plan for the day can help you stay on track and avoid distractions. Consider setting specific goals or tasks for each hour or block of time, and use a planner or calendar to stay organized. Number 53. Organize your essentials in the morning. Organizing your essentials in the morning can be a great way to save time and reduce stress throughout the day. By taking a few minutes to gather and organize the items you need for the day ahead, you can ensure that you have everything you need and avoid wasting time searching for things later. Number 54. Let go of what you can't control. Last but not least, letting go of things you can't control may seem easier said than done. To find that balance, start by focusing on things you love to do or have. Once you have narrowed down what's most important to you, focus your energy on that. Remember, you don't have to do all of these. Choose the ones that resonate with you and that you know you can stick to. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time.